Hi everybody, welcome to Bell CB. Tune-up report today is on the RCI-2970N4. This is for Nicholas in Ohio. Nick asked me to put an amp switch on the back of here. He also asked for a really long power cord, so we upped it to 4 gauge. He also asked for a larger Anderson plug, so we upped it to the 175. So my power today is coming in from this source. So I have a different voltmeter set with this probe right here, so we can see our voltage. Okay. The switch in the back is off, and my power on the front's turned all the way down. Let's take a look at what we get there. You can see maybe 3/4 of a watt, and then all the way up 3.5 watts. The peak power over here. Audio. That's 30 and there's 40. Alright, let me put it on sideband real quick for you. Audio, check, check. Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright. Let's go ahead and throw the switch on. Switch these out. Turn the power on the front all the way down again. We have about 8 or 10 right there, top scale. Alright. And if I turn it all the way to the right, it's about 100. You wanted to know the peak power all the way down. Audio. Let me put in this slug. 250. Audio. So about $1.50 there. And turned all the way up to the underwatt carrier. Now we have a 500 slug in, so there's 400 right there. Audio. Check, check, check. Audio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. Check, check, check. Audio. I'm going to take and bring it over to sideband. Audio, check, 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 check. Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. Let's show you all the modes. We didn't really listen to it though. Let's see what we got. Audio. Audio, check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now we'll How about it, Channel 19? Can I get a radio check real quick, Breaker? I appreciate it, driver. Thank you. Have a good day.